Hello children, today we are going to see about the numbers, right? Okay, so what are the digits first of all we have to see? You know already, right? From the digits starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 you have seen. And you know about the place values and the digits, how to write. So you know something about the numbers in 3 digits. Now I am going to introduce that 4-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers means what you know? The place value must have from zeros. It is like ones, tens, hundreds. You know that. Now here I am going to tell you now one more place value I am going to introduce in the 4-digit number, that is ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Okay. If you go to libraries, how many number of books you have seen, right? How can you tell these numbers? You will be telling like many hundreds of books you will be telling, right? So if you ask your mom what she will tell, she will tell thousands of books it is there in the library. Okay, there you see that number 1000. 1000 means 10 hundred is 1000. Okay, 10 hundreds which we can call it as 1000. Okay, now today's lesson we are going to see that 4-digit number, how to compare the 4-digit numbers, okay, and then successor and predecessor of the numbers of the 4-digit only, then even numbers, what is even numbers and what is prime numbers. So these and all this we are going to see in this numbers lesson 2 it is, right? Okay. Now counting up to 9,999. How we do it? Right? Already we know that first of all we can recall it. Biggest 1-digit number is what? 9. And add with 1. Biggest 1-digit number is 9 plus 1 which is equal to 10. Smallest 2-digit number you are getting. Okay. And biggest 2-digit number, it is 99. 99 plus add with 1. Smallest 3-digit number you will be getting 100. Then next, biggest 3-digit number you take 999, add with 1, you will be getting smallest 4-digit number, that is 1000. See, now I got 1000. So 1000, how can I represent the 1000 means 1000. Okay, this is 1000. So you can write like that 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003. This way you can write. Largest 4-digit number, yeah, you know, it is 9999 it is. You guys understand? So smallest 4-digit number is 1000 and largest 4-digit number is 9999. Okay. Now I already told you, right? It is the place values. Each and every digits have the place value. Now in thousands place, what I am telling you, listen here. It is 1000. Okay. Here, this is ones, tens, hundreds. This is 1000. This is thousands. Okay. 1000 has 4-digit number. Okay, you know that. Now we are going to see elaborately about the 4-digit numbers. Okay. Now the next thing is counting of thousands. Counting, you know, right? 1000, 1000. Again, 2000, 2000, 3000, 4000. This way we can count the 1000, 9000. After 9000 it will be. We can count by thousands. Now practically I will give you one 4-digit number that you have to write the next number. Okay, so listen now. 1392. What is the next number? How can you call this number first of all? 1392 you can call like that. Okay, so how can you write the next number in sense 1393? So after that 2 I have to add 1, that's it. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, one more number 4197. How can you write this? Next number is 4198. 4198 it should be. You guys understand? Now, so you know, right, how to write the numbers and how to read the numbers. Okay. Now place value of thousands, now I am going to tell you. Now I am telling you 5293. I am taking four digit number it is. Here what I am telling you here, this 4-digit number, first of all I have to place in the place value chart. The place value chart means what? Nothing, it will be ones, tens, 100, 1000. That is only, it is place value chart. So now I am going to write this one in the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, this is 3925. Okay, can you see the board here? 3, 9, 2 and 5. Right. This number, this is standard form. Standard form means what? This number 5293 in the numbers, numericals if you write, if you have written, it is a standard form it is. How to write the expanded form? It is like 5000, 5000, right, into, 5000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 3. Okay, so that is one expanded form. Again I'll repeat, 5000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 3. That is expanded form. And how to write in the words? Words, how can you write here? So 5000, 200, 293. This way you can write the numbers in words. Okay. The next thing, have you seen the abacus? Have you seen before? Abacus you have seen? Right? Yes, a small mathematical tool, right? So like this you have. Okay. In the abacus, 4 rods will be there. 4 rods. So it is a ones, tens, hundreds, thousands rod it will be there. Then accordingly beads you have, color beads you have, right? So here what I am telling you, the number it is 5293, 5293 it is number is there. How you do in the abacus kit? Okay. So for the ones place, what is the number here? It is 3 it is. So take the beads. Okay, 3 you put it in the rod. So 3 rods will be here. 3 rods you put it in the ones place. Okay, then 9. This is a ones now, it is a hundreds. So 5, 2, 9, 3, right? For 9th place it will be tens, right? So how can we do it? 9 beads I have to put it in the rod. 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads I put it in the rod. Then 2. In the hundreds place 2 will be there. Then 2. Then thousands place 5. So this way you can represent the numbers in the abacus. Okay. If they give in the abacus, you can write the numbers easily by counting the beads. Okay. So now listen, if the beads they have given, so you can count the numbers and you can write the numbers, right? So 1, 2, 3, again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here, it is 2 here, this is 5 here, then 5293. In the reverse form also you can use, right? Now one more number I can tell you. In the abacus form only, in the abacus one more, it is, in the abacus they have beads. Okay, so what are the beads here? This is 3, this is 2, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Always starting from the rightmost it will be ones, tens, hundred, it is thousand, right? Okay. How can you write? Now in the abacus you have the beads now, right? Then you can write the numbers by seeing the abacus. How can you write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, okay. This is 2, this is 3. So what is the number here? How can I call this number? So 3275 is your number. Okay, you guys understand? Okay, fine. The next topic is you can write, right, how to write in the standard form if they give the words. See, listen, 5203, if they give in the words, how can you write 5 2 203 203 5203, because tens place are not there, right? So one more, 8909. So how you do it? So 8909. So this way you can represent the in the words they have given, you can write in the standard form, right? In the standard form if they give, you have to know that how to write in the words. In words also you have to write. The next thing is, now you tell me, I will give you a number, right? That number, what is the place value of particular number now? See here, now it is 2384. What is the place value of 2 here? I have circled one number, right? Give the place value of circled digit. I am telling you. Now which number is I circled ma? It is 2 now. So it is ones, tens, hundred, thousands. It is 2000. The place value of 2 is 2000. Now here 7002 it is there. Here what has happened? I am circled here 2 again. So 2 into 1, ones, right? 2 into 1 is equal to, again it is 2. The place value of 7002, it is in 2, it will be what? 2 only. The next value is 2065. What is the place value of 6 here? Okay, ones, tens, the place value is 60 here. So you understand, right, how to give the place value of each digits. Okay, the next topic I am moving to comparison. Comparison, what do you know about comparison? So what and all you will compare? Compare means she is taller, she is smaller. It is large amount, it is a smaller amount. Okay, it's a big house, it's a small house. So you can compare, even the numbers also we can compare. Okay, so comparison in sense, bigger number and smaller number it will be there. How can I represent, what is notation for the comparison? Do you know the crocodile? Crocodile mouth, how it will be open? Like this, right? It will be open, right? So the crocodile always eats the bigger number. So that is what the crocodile mouth is like that. So this is the way. Okay, the crocodile always eats what? Bigger number. So the crocodile mouth, it is always open. Okay, the crocodile mouth wants to eat always bigger number here. So it is 30 will be there. This is 19 will be there. So what is the bigger number here? 30. Okay, right. So 42 it will be, 60 it is. What is the bigger number? How to find first of all bigger number? Listen, first of all, the first here, leftmost you check. Leftmost number you check. It is a 4 and it is a 6. It is 4 and 6. Which is bigger number here? 4 or 6? 6 is bigger. So this is bigger. So the crocodile mouth open here like that. It is 60. Okay. And some of the rules also there to find how to compare the numbers. Okay, the first rule is the numerical containing more digit is greater. See, listen now, 121 and 21. This is how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3. So this 3, this is 2. Without comparing only I can tell this is 121 is greater than 21. The numeral contains more digit is greater. The second rule now. Second rule is the two numerals contain the same number of digits. The numbers with the bigger digit on the left hand side is greater. Okay, now I will tell you one more number. It is 4000. It is 2000. Leftmost you check it. This is 4. This is 4. This is 4 digit number. This is 4 digit number. Fine then. So 4. So 4 is greater than 2. So 4000 is greater than 2000. I concluded like that. Okay. Then one more number. 319, 251. Here first number, leftmost digit, you have to check it. 3 and 2. Right. Which is bigger here? 3 obviously. So the crocodile mouth is opened through the bigger number. So 319 is bigger than 251. Okay. Now one more. 2887. Okay. You are going to compare with the 2897. Now you check. See, this 2, this is 4 digit, this is also 4 digit. Okay. This is here, leftmost digit will be 2. Here also 2. Okay. I cannot compare because both are same. Again, hundreds place you check it. 8, again 8. This is also very same. Again, tens place you come. 8, this is 9, right? Here I am concluding this 9 is bigger. So 2887 is less than 2897. So you can conclude it by comparing the each and every place values from the leftmost one you have to compare. Here first leftmost one only 2, 2, then 8, 8, then 8, 9. One by one number you have to compare. Okay. The next one is ordering of numbers. Order in sense what? Ascending order and descending order. Okay, ascending order means what? Small number to big numbers you have to arrange the numbers. Descending order means what? Big number to smaller number you have to arrange the numbers. Okay, now in the 4 digits we have to see. Up to 3 digits you have seen in the lower classes. But here I am going to tell you in the 4 digits. Okay. We can arrange numbers by comparing them. That is the order, right? We can compare the numbers from one by one. I am comparing it. Okay, fine. So ascending order means what? Is increasing order. It is increasing. Okay, you are going up into the stairs. Decreasing means what? You are coming down from the stairs, right? Now I am giving the example how to order, how to write in the order. 1291, 1716, 2113. This is 2132. Okay. Here you check here. What is the number? This number is ascending orderly. It is there or descending order. It is there. Check. This is 1, 1, 2, 2. Again, the second number you check. This is 2. This is 7. Again, for this 2, it will be, this is lesser than this, and this will be lesser than this, and this will be lesser than this one. So this will be lesser than like this. This is ascending order. Ascending order I have written now. Okay. In descending order means what? The bigger number to the smaller number, like 2146, 2132, 2113 it is there means. So 2146 is greater than this 2132. Okay, and it is greater than 2113. It will be like that. Okay. Now you tell me. 4653. You have to compare now. 8123. Which is the bigger number in the 4 digit? Very easily you just listen here. This first number, leftmost digit is what here? 4. And this is 8. Which is the bigger, 4 or 8? It is 8. Over. Okay. One more number I am giving you. 5123. Then 8132. What is the number here? 5 or 8? 8 again. Okay. Then one more. 1900. 1900 and 1909 now. So how can you compare 1, 1? Leftmost digit I am comparing. Here also 1, here also 1. I cannot do anything. Here also 100 digit also I am doing. Here also I cannot do anything. But 0, this is 0 here also. But tens place you see 0 and this is 9. But this is a greater. So 1900 is less than the 1909. You guys understand? So this way I can represent the symbol. It is a symbol. It is a less than symbol. It is a greater than sign or symbol we can call. Okay, that name is what we can call it as a, it's a sign or symbol we can, the mathematical sign it is. Okay, now I am going to tell you, arrange the numbers in the ascending order. What? Arrange the numbers in the ascending order. 2197, 3251, 1095, 2196. Okay, so how to do this is, you have to write in the ascending order. Okay, first of all, first leftmost digit 2, 3, this is 1, 2. Okay, first lesser number to the greater number, ascending order I am writing. This is ascending order. Okay, now I am going to write how to write. First 1 it is there, first you replace this 1095. Okay, this is over now. Then these 3 numbers are there. The next one you have to check the leftmost digit. This is 2, this is 2. Okay, this is 1, this is 1. Again it is okay. 9 and 9. I cannot compare. 7 and 6. So lesser number is what? This one. So 2196. Then 2197. The last number is 3251. So I can write the numbers from lesser number to the bigger number. This way I can compare. This way you also compare. Okay, the next number, now I am going to tell you how to write in the descending order by 4-digit number. Okay, I am going to give the number here. 4279, 3215, 9219, then 2195. Okay. Now you listen, again the same thing I am going to follow. Leftmost digit I am going to compare. This is 4, this is 3, this is 9, this is 2. Okay, come now. See now everyone listen. 4, this is 3, this is 9, this is 2. Which is a bigger number? 9, this is 9219. First I am writing this number. Then after that, what? 4. So it is over, right? Then 4 or 3 or 2, which is a bigger number? 4. So 4279. Then these two thousands place I am checking now. It is the leftmost digit. 3 and 2 I am comparing. 3215. The last number is 2195. So okay. So this way I am comparing the descending order in the 4-digit it is. Okay, fine. What is meant by predecessor and successor? Okay, predecessor means what? Numbers comes just before. A predecessor means what? Which is just comes before in a particular number, that we can call it as a predecessor. And successor means the number which comes just after that, it will be successor. Okay, now I will tell you predecessor and successor, the best example. Successor. Successor means you have to add 1. Okay, you are going to add 1 here. Okay, 2196. How can you, what is successor of 2196 here? It is 2196 plus, here it is plus 1. It is 2197. Okay, one more number I will give you. 2197. What is the successor of this number? Again, 2197 plus 1 is 2198. The successor of this, just 1 you have to add. Immediate number, next number means you have to add 1. Right? Then what is meant by predecessor? Predecessor in sense, predecessor. Now 3142. Predecessor of this one means what I told, it will be Predecessor means just before means minus subtracted by 1. Okay, so 3142 subtracted by 1. So 3143 is your, 3141 is your answer. 2 minus 1 is 1. The next number is 6045 is equal to predecessor of 6045 is 6045 subtracted with 1. 6044 is your answer. Okay, so this way you can find the predecessor and the successor in the 4-digit number. Okay. The next is odd numbers and even numbers, right? Odd numbers and even numbers. Okay. Even numbers, first I will tell you. Do you know the table of 2? Table 2, you know? It is like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. It will be going on like that. Okay. Do you notice here all the numbers will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are the last digit of this table. See, listen here. I will tell you some. See, this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, again 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. The last digit you see 24680, 24680. Okay, 24680. It will be like that, right? Here the last digit, if it is coming 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, if it is coming, then the number should be even numbers. See here 4325. No, it is not even because it is the last number. It is not 24680. Again one more 4 this one. Yeah, the last number is 0 because the last number contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's it. If the number you find in the last digit, then it is a even number. Otherwise, it's not a even number. Okay. Well, what about the odd numbers? Other numbers ending with 13579. Okay, other numbers which is not in this 2 table, that is even, odd number. Okay, now you tell me odd numbers means what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are all ending, that is the odd numbers. Okay, so 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, number ending with like this, it is a even number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, the numbers ending like this, then it will be a odd number. Now you tell me 2131 is a even or odd? Okay, last digit you tell. See that this is a 1. 1 will be odd number. It is a 1357 is a odd number. So this is a odd. This is a odd number. 4796. The last digit is 6. It is in the group of 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It is 2 table. It is coming here. It is a even number. One more number. 2419. Tell me. Last digit is 9. So this is, what is that? Odd number. Then last number I am telling you 2322. The last number is 2. So 24680. The last number, if it is coming, then it is an even number. So it is an even number. Okay. Fine. This is the odd numbers and even numbers. How you find? I told you. Okay. The next thing is skip counting. Skip counting means like jumping. The numbers you cannot go like immediately. It will jump like that. So countings in 2. Skip. Skip means what, you know? It will be just leave one number. Leave some of the numbers and you are telling the another number. So skip countings means we can count by leaving one number or 2 numbers or 3 numbers. It will be like that. Okay, fine. Skip countings in 2s. How can you write? 2402. How can you write here? 2404, 2406, 2408, 2410. It is skips of 2s. Then skip counting of 5 in cents. 7130 is there. 7,135, 7,140, 7,145, 7,150. So skipping of 5. And skip counting in tens. How you do it? So 2,410 is there, means 2,420, 2,430, 2,440, 2,450, 2,460. It is going on like that. So this is the skip counting of tens. Next thing is place value and face value. Already I told you about the place value and face value, guys. You listen to me again. The face value of a digit is a number, is a value of the digit itself. It is a place value. It's a face value. It's a face value. Place value means what? Place value of a digit in a number depends on the position of the digit. Okay, position of the digit in the place value chart. You know the chart already. I told you. You know the chart is a ones, tens, 100,000. Okay, now I am going to give one of the question here. It is 4315. Here I am going to represent each numbers in the place value and face value here. Okay. So this is ones, tens, 100,000. Okay. Here in this case, what is that face value I am telling? The face value of 0 is what? 0 only. The face value of here it is 4315, right? Okay. The place value of 1 is what? 1 only. The face value of 3 will be what? 3 only. The face value of 4, it is 4 only. This number itself, right? Place value is different. How you will tell? 5 into 1's. Place value is what then? 5 into, it is ones, right? 5 into 1, it is equal to 5. The place value of 1, 1 into 10, 10. 3 into 100, this is the place value of 3 is 3 into 100, that is 300. The place value of 4, it is 4 into thousands place, now it is 4,000. So this way I can represent each digits in the place value. So again, so 5, 10, 300, 400. Okay. Place value and face value I told you. Now I am going to give some of the examples, right? In this place value and face value, listen now. Now 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you tell me, write the place value and face value of this circled digit. Okay. Place value of 2 is what? Ones, tens here. It is 2 into 100 is equal to 200. What is the face value of 2 here? It is 2 only. The number itself. Okay. The number 7, 2, 3, 4. Now I am here it is. I circled as 4 here, right? So the place value of 4 is 4 into 1 is equal to 4 only. Again, place value, face value of 4 is 4 only. Right. The last number 1937. Right. Now 1 I circled. Okay. The place value of 1 is 1000. 1 into 1000 because 1 tens 100,000 it is. The place value of 1 is 1 only. Face value, right? Face value of 1 is 1 only. The number itself it is. Okay, guys. So that's it. Thank you, guys.